What's up, switchers? Renz here, and in this video, we're going to be reviewing a mechanical keyboard, the TADA68. So, let's get to it. This video is sponsored by the Niche Market. For more info, check out the link on the description below. The Saber68 is a mechanical keyboard with a 65% keyboard layout, meaning it does not have a complete set of keys that a normal keyboard has. It has 68 keys in total, hence having the name Saber68. Upon looking at the keyboard, you may be deceived by its thick, sturdy look that may give you the impression that it's made of metal, but it's just really made up of some thick, durable plastic. It also has a backlight feature which adds up to its aesthetics and making it easier to use in the dark. Its keycaps are replaceable and made out of PBT plastic with a thickness of 1.5mm and die sub prints. It has Gateron blue switches with an actuation force of 60 grams and an actuation point of 2.3mm and a rated lifespan of 50 million strokes, which makes it durable and gives a very nice tactile feel. The look of the keyboard reminds me of the old keyboards we used to have way back, which makes this keyboard pretty nostalgic. The keyboard feels really solid and pretty thick. It does not have a numeric keypad, which may be a problem to some. It has a very loud and crispy clicking sound which gamers and typists would really enjoy. This budget-friendly mechanical keyboard is priced at $75, which may vary depending on your location. So, is the Saber68 the keyboard you're looking for? Then, make the switch. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow us on social media. Until the next video, this is Renz, your tech guide. Adios.